This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Janis Partlow. Nicely furnished 3-bed 3-bath open floor plan with all bedrooms up with one full bath down. Stainless steel appliances, eat-in kitchen, flat screen TVs, master with king bed, screened patio with grill and amp, fenced yard. Close to pool, fitness room and the Jupiter Beach access. Attached garage. Located in the heart of Jupiter near great dining, shopping, theater and the Palm Beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Janis Partlow at 954-693-0100.